Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, depending on when you hear this video. I just want to introduce myself and share a little bit about what's coming up in October. My name is Ruth Padilla DeBorst, and I am a professor of world Christianity at Western Theological Seminary. But I also live here in Costa Rica a good part of the year, serving with Arrocha, Costa Rica, and as a member of the intentional Christian community, Casa Adobe. The first thing we will be sharing is the McClure Lecture, and the title is Global Neighboring as Gospel Witness. We all know Jesus' mandate of love of neighbor. The question is, what does it require? And I propose that it does not require the erasure of difference, but instead the affirmation of the gifts that all people bring to the common table. Global neighboring, I propose, is in itself the witness our world is craving. So we'll explore this together. And then on Saturday in the World Mission Conference, the title I propose is Who is My Neighbor? Horizon Expanding Practices for a Fragmented World. Jesus' interaction with the religious leader turned the question, who is my neighbor, upside down. And still today, it invites us to neighboring practices that are radically countercultural. Those we're going to explore out of the experience of our community, out of the experience of communities across Central America and around the world, through the work of INFIMIT, the International Fellowship of Mission as Transformation. So I look forward to seeing you and learning together what God is calling us to be and to do in the world today. Thank you.